Hi, I'm John T, the owner of Ash & Co Workshops, and I would like to talk you through what you can expect to get if you buy one of our cool robot education kits. So we will ship you a pack with all of these different components in, all separated out so that you can hand them out to each child, okay? It starts off with an instruction card like this one for each of the children to follow. This has an exploded diagram on it showing how the character goes together, and also lots of tips on the back, how to sand, gluing and things like that as well. You've got your major components, so they are, here are the body blocks. In this box here you've got head blocks, and then we've got arms and legs in this box here. That's your major components. Then you've got little robot feet to stick on, your dowels for connecting the character together, for hammering the character together, and then a whole range of other really cool accessories. So we have, first of all, sandpaper for making everything nice and smooth, all cut up into individual pieces for you. Wood curls that you can use for hair. We've got wool you can use for hair as well. Little bits of scrap wood as well that the kids can use to make awesome characters as well as their main robot. We've got some different coloured wires here that they can use. They can bend them to make smiles for their characters and stick them on. We've got glue dots here that you can use to stick the characters together, and they're really brilliant as well. We've also got lots of different trays so you can set out all the individual pieces for the children and give them a tray each. And last but not least, we have these things here, and we've got bags of little nuts and bolts and pegs. We've got washers, we've got buttons, beads, extra dowels, we've got a little more bolts, 3D printed silver stars, and then some tiny little buttons as well that can be used for eyes. So that's it, that's everything that you get, and there's enough here to build tons and tons and tons of really cool robots, all completely differently. You can add to this with anything you like, colouring pens and pencils, all sorts of accessories you might find around in your classrooms. Anything will work that you can add on to the character.